Is your Google TV Freeplay app stuck loading or not working at all? Do not worry, because TechVibes has you covered with the ultimate fixes. Welcome back to TechVibes. It is super frustrating when your free live TV channels suddenly vanish or freeze up on you. This usually happens because of corrupted temporary files, network drops, or region conflicts hiding your content. Check this out, because we are diving straight into the step-by-step solutions to get your streaming back on track right now. Step 1 is the absolute classic restart. Unplug the power cable from your streaming device. Wait for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and let the system boot up fresh. This clears out system glitches in seconds and is a total no-brainer to try first. Step 2 is to force stop the app. Go into your device settings, open your apps menu, and find Google TV Freeplay. Click on Force Stop to completely kill the background process. Launch the app again to see if it loads up normally. Step 3 is clearing the app cache. In that same apps menu, select Google TV Freeplay. Click on Clear Cache to dump all the temporary junk files. Do not click Clear Data yet, because we just want to remove the corrupted files causing the lag. Step 4 is verifying your internet speed. Live TV streaming requires a solid connection to prevent endless buffering. Run a quick speed test on your TV or smartphone. Make sure you are getting at least 25 megabits per second for a smooth, high-definition experience. Step 5 is switching your network band. If your router supports dual bands, move your TV away from the crowded 2.4 GHz frequency. Connect to the 5 GHz band instead. This offers much faster speeds and less interference, which is a total game changer for live TV. Step 6 is power cycling your internet router. Unplug your modem and router from the wall outlet. Leave them unplugged for a full minute to drain the residual power. Plug them back in and wait for all the lights to turn solid green before checking your TV. Step 7 is manually changing your DNS server. Go into your network settings and select your active connection. Change the IP settings from DHCP to static. Set your primary DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. Set your secondary DNS to DNS 8.8.4.4. Using the Google Public DNS can instantly resolve server connection issues and make things super snappy. Step 8 is adjusting your VPN location. Google TV Freeplay is strictly region locked. If you are using a VPN to access it, make sure you are connected to a high-speed server located inside the United States. Try switching to a different city server if the current one is running slow or blocking your stream. Step 9 is checking your device storage space. When your streaming box runs out of room, apps will start crashing and refusing to open. Go to your storage settings and delete a few unused apps or old downloaded files. Aim to keep at least 1 GB of free space so your device runs smoothly. Step 10 is resetting your app preferences. Go into your main app settings menu. Look for the option that says Reset App Preferences and confirm the choice. This will restore all default background permissions and notification settings without deleting your actual apps. Here's a quick bonus pro tip for you. If you are using an external device like a soundbar, make sure your streaming stick is plugged directly into an HDMI 2.1 port on your television. This ensures maximum data bandwidth and prevents strange app rendering bugs. If you face any difficulty with these steps, just drop a comment below. I check the comments constantly, and I will reply within 1 hour to help you figure it out. If this video saved your streaming night, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes. You have got this completely handled, so stay safe and happy streaming.